All right, guys, coming down. Heads up. Come on, Rocky. Oh! He saved that shit.
Saved that, man.
You look, I can't even see it. It's over the hill.
Hey, I can't even see it.
He ran out of road. You know what it is that he got the plate in the front. He's running 6S and he's getting into it easy. Woo! Let's see what she did on the GPS. 81. On this small road, that's not bad. And you're not even running the gearing, right?
No.
You're running that other gearing, right?
Yeah. But I can't full throttle it though. And then he went on over and ran over there to the house.
Where you at?
Thursday. 130 is 138.
Right. You're still good, but don't push it. Yeah.
I can't full throttle. I want to full throttle it though.
I can't drive it.
I don't know.
Well, we gotta go to pole for that. We gotta go back to pole and do that. You let me know when you want to.
I'm finna try it right now, cuz.
You gonna go for it? You know what? If you're gonna do that, start from that way and come this way.
I'm just scared you gonna hit one of them tires down there, boy. I'd rather see that bitch just slide the book right here. Yeah, one hurt in the grass, but hit one of them tires, that bitch stunk. That bitch gonna buck in the frame. At 90 miles per hour.
Was that out there at this point?
81. I know we're close. 9 miles per hour.
It can do 90. Yeah, it can do 90. It's the flip over game. It's the flip over game.
That was close.
No, that was 85.
Nice, nice. It's okay, it's okay.
That should be 90. Hey, John.
Yo.
Hey, send that Joker Clark 95 out on the post.
Yeah.
I told you.
E. He went 95 on the GPS straight as an arrow.
Okay.
When he almost went into Radio Road.
All right. Well, it just went 90 right there.
You think so? I don't know. We'll find out. Okay. Everybody betting 90. What you got, Ron? 86. That's not bad for this short road. And when you change the gear, you got the smaller pinion on it too, right?
Hey! Get out the road. I ain't gonna be able to bring it through like I want to, man. Cause I get out, I got to get out of it right up the hill. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I say. You gotta go down there.
Let it cool if you're gonna do that.
Hey, on the front street right there, John. On the front street at the bottom right there. Yeah. Shit, you ought to go start right there and come down that some bitch. You can run a whole mile. Don't nobody even drive down there. The whole long road right there. Heck yeah, and it's flat too. It ain't got no crown in it. No crown. Yeah, that is, man.
You the star of the show right here. You are the star of the show. What's the matter, boy? There's Rocky here.
You can bring him anywhere.